I really feel bad for basically every lawyer in this book that is trying to do the right thing, especially from our American point of view, standing up for the little guy, doing all this, but it really puts a bullseye on them to even take on clients. I mean, there really is this apparatus that says, if you try and defend somebody that we've named as an enemy, you are saying to us that you're the enemy.
Yeah, so you're talking about human rights lawyers. They were a huge vanguard in trying to inch forward constitutional reforms and basically just get the government to implement laws that already exist or protections that already exist in China's constitution. And they were really influential in the early 2000s. And coincidentally, I moved to China in July 2015. I didn't know this at the time when I landed, but the week before I landed, Xi Jinping and the security authorities in China had arrested about, now we know, 300 human rights lawyers in this coordinated sweep across the country. And that was really the moment that the political tightening that we see today started in China. It was a very big sign that this experiment with legal and political liberalization under the previous Chinese leader, Hu Jintao, was coming to an end under Xi Jinping. So the human rights lawyers thing was really a canary in the coal mine, so to speak. So it was important to me to include some of their voices. And you know what? They work on cases that represent a tiny fraction of legal cases adjudicated in China every year. You know, I'm talking about like less than 1% of cases. But I would argue that they have a lot of political significance for how the country envisions itself, how it runs. So it was still important to include those stories.